Can a simple piece of fabric actually change how you feel about driving your car? This black speed shift knob boot promises to do exactly that for C1, C2, and C3 owners looking for a quick, impactful upgrade. We all know that over time, the shift boot is one of the first things in the interior to look tired, faded, or cracked. This replacement is designed not just to cover up the damage, but to genuinely enhance the whole aesthetic. The deep black finish is incredibly sleek and instantly gives the center console a refreshed, modern look, moving far beyond that worn factory appearance. But style is only half the story here. The real value is in the fitment and the feel. If you own a C1, C2, or C3, you'll be happy to know this is specifically crafted to align perfectly with those common shift lever covers. We're talking about the 93,380,2834 PA, 93,303,048, and 93,280,4246 specifications. That means installation is straightforward, and the fit is secure, eliminating that annoying looseness or gap you sometimes get with generic aftermarket parts. It snaps right into place, just like the original should. Now, let's talk about performance. While it might seem minor, the material used here is crucial. It's built for serious wear resistance, meaning it should hold up against daily friction and UV exposure much better than the stock material, maintaining that sharp, sleek appearance for years to come. More importantly, the design is engineered to improve your grip. It's a subtle tactile difference, but having that enhanced control during gear shifts genuinely makes the driving experience smoother and more enjoyable, especially if you spend a lot of time rowing through the gears. It feels more precise, more connected. It's a small investment that delivers on both durability and driver engagement. If you're looking for a high-quality, perfectly fitting replacement that elevates your interior and improves your shifting feel, this is absolutely the way to go. It's a fantastic blend of form and function that truly upgrades your daily drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.